As you may have noticed, I've got a small workshop. Not even a workshop, it's a one-car garage in the UK. And because materials I use are mainly pulled out of skips or bushes or puddles or wherever I find them, they normally need a lot of work just to get them to good again. A lot of planing, a lot of sanding, a lot of stuff, and that creates a lot of mess, a lot of dust and all that sort of thing. And if you're in a small space, it soon piles up. So I had to fix that problem, and I finally pulled my finger out and fixed that problem. What I've gone and done, I've gone and bought myself one of these massive elephant trunks on it. It's about 1,200 watts of suck, holds about 50 litres of muck, and once it's full you just empty the tank and just put the motor back on again. Easy as that. No bags, no nothing. Thing is, does it suck? This thing was built to suck, and it does suck in a good sense. It cleared up everything I need to clear up, and that will help me so much. But there is one thing I would change to make this better. Just the one thing. Let me show you. And that's where the issue is. Inside the tube, this is where it meets the machine, there's these bar things, and these are obviously to stop some kind of something blocking the whatever. But the thing is, this goes straight into this tub. Once it's in there, there's nothing there. It's just empty it when it's full, that's it. And what I found is that sort of pieces like that, bits of offcuts or whatever, or wood shavings, have been catching up on this and blocking the tube eventually. Now I need to get rid of that because I don't want that to happen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them off, ain't I? I think it's fair to say that I am no longer the only sucker in this workshop. It sucks. Does a great job of it. And after I did that little tiny minuscule little alteration, modification, it works a treat, and I'm dead pleased with that. And dead pleased is about as much as I expect to get out of anything nowadays. Dead pleased to do for me.